Miss Christine here. This is a short video to go over your homework, okay? You will get 15 points for each, your written assignment and your video submission, so job well done. But I want to share my screen. All right, so hopefully you can see my screen. All right, and the first thing that I want to talk to you about, is dynamics again. So as a quick refresher, we know the level of volume in music, how loud or soft it is. And we have PP, pianissimo, all the way to FF, fortissimo. All right, now we have fortissimo, forte, mezzo forte, pianissimo, piano, mezzo forte. And we have this greater than and less than sign. And remember, when the pointer is pointing to the left, we're starting soft and we're gradually getting louder. And here we're starting very, very loud and gradually getting softer. So diminuendo or decrescendo. So we're loud, but we're getting softer, okay? So just review your dynamic sheet. So let's look at your homework here. So we have dynamics tell us to play soft or loud. That is correct. Okay, so the word mezzo means medium. Good, that is correct.
You're totally correct.
And blank is the loudest dynamic. FF, fortissimo. Good. The Italian word for loud is forte. That is correct as well. And the symbol below tells a player to what? Play soft, but gradually play soft. So be careful, not just to play soft, because if it was P, that would mean piano, to play soft. But when you see this sign, you want to gradually get softer. And we know that that is diminuendo here, right here, to gradually get softer. So that is the answer that I'm looking for. Now we have the letter dynamics. So we have to fill in the missing information. We have the letter symbol, the Italian term, and the meaning. So we have pianissimo, right? These Italian words. And it's PP, not 3 P's, but just 2. Right here you can see very soft. You're playing very softly. So be careful, very soft. That is correct. Then you have P, piano, which means soft. Then you have MP, which is mezzo piano, but you forgot to write medium soft. Let's go back to here. We have mezzo piano, medium soft. Okay, and here it is right here. Okay. And next we have mezzo forte. You have MF, that is correct, medium loud. And next we have F for forte. And you didn't write loud, but I know you know that. Okay, and that's what we're looking for. And then we have fortissimo, FF, very loud. Okay, good. So now here's a bonus. Give the Italian words for these dynamics. Not forte piano, but what? Crescendo and diminuendo or decrescendo, okay? So those are the answers that we were looking for with respect to your worksheet. Nice work, by the way. Okay, let's go to your video submission of In the Evening by the Moonlight. So let me share my screen here. Okay, so you can see I have sectioned off just the last couple of measures. And I want you to be careful with your rhythm. Okay, so we know that we're in the middle C hand position. Here we are. And so you have as we sang, right, by the evening or in the evening. Let me get the lyrics right. So let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, and as we sang in the evening by the moonlight. Okay, so that is the rhythm that I want to hear. And then I'm going to play along here so that you can hear it. So just that little section there, I want you to be very, very careful with. But overall, job well done, and I'll see you in the classroom real soon.